you're on the hunt for a new construction home in Las Vegas, then continue watching because today we're going to be showing homes in Henderson at the Inspirada master plan. Now today's property walkthrough is at the Arden community built by Pointe Homes. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is about new build communities and living in Las Vegas, then subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you are going to be the first ones to learn about anything in Las Vegas. Now let's get started. Welcome to the Arden community. This is going to be plan 1. This is 2,014 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. There's 4 elevations to choose from for these model homes. They're selling these model homes specifically. That they are building another community called the Villa, which is right around the right side of this community, and they'll have this specific plan to be built there. Now this specific plan is elevation A. So as you walk in here, this is the courtyard, covered patio, this courtyard area. So you're gonna have all these included, and right here to the backyard, very nicely done. You do have a high retaining wall right here, but you also get this covered patio as well. Let me show you guys this area so you guys can take a look at it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, give this video a like. This is the side of the house, the exterior, backyard, nicely done. Now they are selling this model home specifically, and at the time of recording this video, it's currently priced at $645,000. Are you guys ready to see the inside? Let's walk in. Very nicely done. This is a Pointe home. I love how they designed these homes with this builder because they're very attentive to details when it comes to these homes. All right, to the left, right as you walk in, that's your closet for your coats. To the left is going to be your half bath. And remember, what you see in here is what you're going to get for this specific model because they are selling this specific model to the public. This is your living space, your dining area, and your kitchen. To the right, this would be where your garage is. Right here is your pantry, kitchen area, granite countertops with your bar stool seating. Another angle from this side. Here's your dining space area. You can have a table right here. Here's another look of your living room. And here's the look of your backyard. Now, that's a 15-foot sliding door with the double doors. All right, here's the kitchen. This will come with a stainless steel dual basin sink. You have a magnetic pull down faucet, stainless steel with the osmosis system. This one doesn't come as a soft close. You do get the dishwasher, you do get the fridge, including with the price. Do you guys like this? Get the GE microwave, the 4-top stove burner with the oven. Here's another look from this corner of the house. All right, what do you guys think of this first floor? I'm gonna give you guys a view from this side. That way you guys can look at it. All right, let's get to the second floor. This is gonna be a carpeted area. You got the natural light coming in from those windows. Here's another view from the upstairs. So you have 9-foot ceilings right here, and the doorways are, I believe, a 7. That one's a 7-foot doorway. This one looks like an 8. Let's walk down this way, the hallway. You're gonna have your washer dryer in here. Then it looks like then you have your ceramic tiles on the floor, cabinets. Right side of the room, this is your first bedroom. Then you have your bathroom. You have your white shaker cabinets with a quartz countertop. Then you have the tub right here with the prefabricated shower, stainless steel with the glass. Obviously this is all upgraded, nicely done with the backsplash. And you have your faucet right there, stainless steel. Here is your second bedroom. Then we're gonna go to the primary bedroom. Love how they do that up to the ceiling right there. All right, this is your primary bathroom. You have a walk-in closet, very nice size. And here is your primary bathroom, guys. Look at that backsplash, very nice. You have the overhead rain shower. Here's another look. And you have your dual vanity sinks, quartz countertop. Looks like a fiberglass sink right there. And here's the toilet. Guys, what did you guys think? Did you guys like this floor plan? Did you not? Leave it in the comments below. Also, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you're gonna be the first ones to be informed whenever I do any of these home tours. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.